guys, there's something happening in the kitchen. It's Boxing Day breakfast. Sorry about being a bit dark back there, but look at what's happening in the kitchen. It's much brighter in here. We have already broken into the Hairy Biker's Veggie Feast book with the bunny, and we're doing Farmhouse Hash. What have you done so far, Bun?
Right, I've steamed my potatoes. I've just slightly changed the recipe because basically there was no mushroom ketchup. So you've googled it for me, and I've had all the ingredients. So instead, for the umami taste, I've added miso paste, and then all the other spices: mace, nutmeg, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder.
I'll put the recipe in the description below. It's worth having.
Brown sugar. That's it. So now I'm just browning everything else, and then instead of having poached eggs, I think I'm going to put the beaten egg in it. I believe this is my version. They say to serve it with a poached egg, but I don't.
So you got onions went in, then the mushroom sliced up as well went in,
as well.
and then, as she said, steam the potatoes, and they've got in all the spices and the seasoning,
Olive oil,
the vinegar,
and
all this sort of thing. Bit of oil with it all as well to help things along. But as I say, I'll put the recipe and everything in the description to help you along. We're beating how many eggs? 2? 3. 3 beaten eggs here, going in
there instead of poached.
Instead of poaching the eggs. Stirring them all in. Oh, we're losing a potato.
It's a bit of a mixed mash, but it should be apparently dark like that. I saw in the recipe.
Should all be done on a medium heat, if you were wondering.
And that's it. And I'm going.
That's it. The heat has gone off. She's adding. What are we adding, Bun?
Some chives.
Some chives, just a bit of colour there, a little bit extra flavour. So there we have it, guys. It's Farmhouse Hash in a pan. Hairy Bikers.
Just a tiny bit modified because they serve their poached egg separately. I wanted to put it in, and I didn't have this mushroom ketchup handy. I've invented myself my own. I googled the ingredients and I had most of them. So
yes, Google your own mushroom ketchup. You can actually buy it in a bottle, but it's going to be far more tastier and fresher. Handmade, homemade, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to enjoy that now with maybe some baked beans. I don't know.
Whatever you want.
We'll see. Do what you like with it. It looks fantastic and it's going to be well tasty. We don't actually, we've come back to it again. We don't actually show us eating the food we actually cook. So here's Bunny eating the food that we've just cooked. We don't seem to do that. We seem to just end the recipe right there and then we don't actually show us eating it, which might be a little bit. I'm going to enjoy this. It's going to fill us up for the day, and that's it.